Good morning, students. There are different types of professionals. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे व्यावसायिक लोक असतात. हे कोण आहेत? दंतवैद्य, इन इंग्लिश डेंटिस्ट, DENTIST. What is this woman? She is a nurse, NURSE. What is this man's profession? That of flying an aeroplane or helicopter. So he is a pilot, PILOT. Oh, look at this man. He is clad in space dress. This type of dress is put on or worn while going into the space. This man is an astronaut, ASTRONAUT. Who is he? He is a scientist. What is he doing here? He is performing an experiment. He is doing an experiment. Okay. Who is this man? He is a policeman. What is in his hand? A gun. Okay. What is this man? What is his profession? Yes, he is a woodcutter. What is he doing? He is cutting wood with the help of axe. Woodcutter, WOODCUTTER. प्लीज लाईक, सबस्क्राईब, शेअर अँड कॉमेंट. लाईक करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा.